Welcome to our Employee Portal Setup tutorial. First, find the registration email we sent. If it's not in your inbox, check your junk folder. If the email is in your junk folder, move it to your inbox so all links will be functional. Next, open the email and click on the registration link. Your default internet browser should automatically open. If not, right-click the registration link and select Copy Hyperlink. Then you can paste it into your internet browser. Once your internet browser brings you to our site, you will create a username and password. We suggest making the username your email address. You will need to enter a password with 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and a special character. Once you've done that, click on Register, enter your password again, and then log in. Once you have registered, you will next need to set up multi-factor authentication. You can do so by selecting the Set Up Now button. Then Get Started. It will allow you to choose between 3 different types of authenticators. We highly suggest using the Thomson Reuters Authenticator. If you do choose the Thomson Reuters Authenticator, you will need to download the app from the App Store. It will then prompt you when you try to log in, and you can just click Accept on your cell phone and it will let you right into the website. The first time it will send you a QR code that you'll have to scan, but once everything's connected, it will be easy after that. Once Multi-Factor Authenticator has been set up, it will let you into your employee portal. From here, you can view your check stubs, W-4 information, and other employee pertinent information.